What's up guys, this is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs coming at you with another great video, so don't go anywhere. After the intro I will show you what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so I'm going to be doing about 16 shirts in a simulated process. This is really cool way of doing t-shirts if you have like full color, and this is the perfect way to do it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Again, it's a very small order. It's only like 16 shirts, not that many. I have already registered the colors. Everything is nice and ready to go. So all you're going to see is the actual process of printing. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So let me bring this camera down, that way you can see what I'm doing. Again, everything's already registered and ready to go. So all you're gonna see is it's the printing process. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting an under base first. And I already made a shirt without the under base. That way you guys can see what it'll look like without the under base. So under base is just regular white. That's a little more than what I wanted. So that's going to be the under base. I'm going to throw this under the flash. And I'm going to be flashing in between prints. So if you can see this t-shirt right here, this one doesn't have an under base. And also it doesn't have the accent for the white on the sword. So you will see once the t-shirt is ready or printed with all the colors, the difference between without underbase and underbase. So again, I'm going to do all my underbase first. Here's a sample I did in white, just to see what the shirt will look like once I do the underbase. Again, this one's all in white. And here comes our first hit of yellow. So just one pass. I'm not going to be doing like 2 or 3 passes. I mean, just one. That's good enough. Okay, so after the yellow, then we gotta do magenta, and this is where you start seeing the actual print coming to life. See that? And again, we don't want to deposit a ton of ink. Okay, so that was the magenta. Now we're gonna do the cyan. You see the image is coming alive. And I'm only flashing for a little bit. And here comes our last but not least, the black. And this is just going to give it the extra details. And that's it. You can see that stuff looks really good. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. This is I mean, again, it wasn't that many shirts. It was only 16 shirts, but that's our simulated process. That's how that works with an underbase. If you don't want to put an underbase, then your colors will be a lot darker, and we want it to pop. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. And I will catch you in the next one. Thank you guys, and see you later.